called Crossfit. It is basically a fitness app. In this app you have two features. One is the BMI and second is Pedometer. BMI stands for body mass index. It determines if you are obese or you are fit. So let me show you how the BMI screen works first. So when I go here, it first asks you to enter your weight, say 50, and then height in meters. So say someone is 5'5", so that will be 1.67 meters. And when you press calculate, an image appears showing the chart of BMI scale, and down you get your BMI. So a person who is 50 kilos and 5'5" feet is underweight. So this shows how you need to alter your diet in order to meet the needs of your body. Then the second is pedometer. For that I will show you the video of me walking, and then the steps will be counted. This is how my pedometer screen looks. There are three buttons: start, reset and back. So when I press the start button, it will change the text to stop. So and then reset is for bringing all the values back to 0, and back is for guiding the person back to the home screen where he can go again to the BMI screen. So, and the time will be shown in minutes, as you can see. The steps will be counted as I walk forward or backwards, and distance will be counted in meters. So let me show you. So when I press start, as you can see, the time has changed to stop. Now I will press start, and now I am walking. So when I come back, you will see that the steps have increased here. So I had not walked for for 1 minute. So it's 0 minutes. It's showing 0 minutes right now. It's showing 0 minutes because I have not walked for a minute. But when I walked around the room, it shows that I have walked 25 steps and the distance was 17.52 meters. Thank you.